Let's understand the law of inertia. If the net external force is zero, the body at rest continues to remain at rest, and the body in motion continues to move with a uniform velocity. This principle of body to remain in its current state of rest or motion is called inertia. Now, consider a block placed on a table. If the force applied by hand F equals to force of friction, the block will not move. Now, let's discuss what Galileo studied about the motion of object on an inclined plane. First case, where ball accelerates due to gravity. Second case, where ball retards due to gravity. Third case, ball goes on moving with constant velocity. Now, let's understand another experiment by Galileo, which lead to some conclusion involving a double inclined plane. In double inclined plane, if a ball is released from rest on one of the planes, then the height attained by the ball on the second inclined plane is same as the height from which it is released from the first. Now see this animation where the ball is released from height h. Moving on a frictionless track, the ball reaches at height h on another inclined plane. If the slope of second plane is decreased and the experiment is repeated, the ball will reach the same height, but in doing so, it will travel a longer distance. When the slope of the second plane is 0, that is, the horizontal plane, the ball travels an infinite distance. In another word, its motion never ceases. Have you ever realized why we experience jerk when the bus starts or stops? When a passenger is sitting or standing in a stationary bus, both passenger and bus are at rest. When the bus starts moving suddenly, the lower part of the body starts moving with the bus, whereas the upper part tends to remain in the position at rest due to inertia of rest. As a result, passenger is thrown backward. When the bus stops moving, the lower part of the body stops, whereas the upper part of body remain in motion. Hence, the passenger is thrown in forward direction.